Have you ever screamed and excited at live TV show of American Ninja Warriors? Do you want to challenge yourself and gain self-confidence and build self-esteem? Tourgo Company offers a wide variety of famous TV show American Ninja Warrior obstacle facilities for all age of kids or adults and skill level. Tourgo have the truss obstacles such as truss padding, landing crash mats, monkey swings, cargo nets, spider walls, quintuple steps, tilting logs, floating bridges, traverse floating stairs, flying bar, salmon ladder, spinning wheels, wind nuts, crank it up, wheel roller, camelback, balance hops ascending, climbing, and of course the famous warped wall. All of Tourgo obstacles are fun and inclusive, enabling all budding ninjas to create their own American Ninja Warrior journeys. Up to now, Tourgo already completed the construction of 10,000 square meters of Ninja Warrior banners. Come and join Tourgo!